Hey y'all, it's Jackson with Wooden Wells. Just want to tell y'all a little bit about why our name is Wooden Wells. We started out being a third generation water well contracting business down here in Florida, and now we're getting into the lumber business. You kind of see we got an LT35, y'all kind of seen them videos if you've been keeping up. We got a Cook 4AP edger. We just picked that up not too long ago. Got a video on that, it's really good. Real young in the Cameron. I just got me a new tripod. We're real young in the wood business. We're learning, but it's all coming well. And maybe y'all have some questions where this wood's coming from. All this wood here was coming from Gainesville, maybe Trenton area, all these subdivisions being burnt. So our goal here on Wooden Wells is to take burned wood that's going to be destined to be burnt and turn it into good lumber. All this cedar here, we got some already, y'all. So we know I got you a little video on the little hyperlapse on what it took to get this cedar log down to this, but now we got it down to a solid cant and we're cutting it into 1x right now. Some beautiful wood, beautiful, and all this right here is going to be burnt. And that's what that pretty log gave us. Beautiful cedar 1x. And one of them is this extra top and bottom board.